If you want to enjoy the coupon code discount at Hostinger, then you have to watch this video, because in this video I will tell you a step-by-step procedure on how you can claim this coupon code discount on already running discount deal at Hostinger. Now, to claim this coupon code discount, what we have to do is just simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on the link in the description, you will be landed to a page like this. Over here you're gonna see special deals, and if you scroll below, you may see that Hostinger is being recommended by almost every famous website on the internet. These are the three most popular plans, and you can use any as per convenience to claim this coupon code discount to get additional discount on already running discount deals. And there are a few things which about Hostinger is amazing, like they provide fast, secure and reliable servers. In case if you're coming from other hosting company, they have a free of cost website migration service, plus they do not compromise on speed, reliability and efficiency, plus the security features are just mind-blowing. You're getting so many options of security with automatic backups, SSL security certificates and Cloudflare protected name servers. And right now 3 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company, and even I'm one of them. And if you want to enjoy this coupon code discount family, make scroll above and select any plan. Don't worry, all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee, so you can buy very convenient. So I recommend you guys to do a see all features and do a comparison of all the features functions before you're going to see which one is more important for you. If you ask me, the premium or the business plan is has almost everything you will need. So you can simply select the choose plan with any of the plan, and once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page where you can apply this coupon code discount to get additional discount. Make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this coupon code discount. Once you select the this link, you are being redirected over here. Here you can see that this is a limited time deal right now. Select your billing period. Hostinger offer a variety of billing periods, so I recommend you guys to select the 48 months, because these prices won't appear again, but you can select any as per convenience. After this, select the have a coupon code and try this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. After this, simply select the apply over here, and you're gonna see that your price is going to get further discount on already running discount deal. So now there is another coupon code as well, and it is with the name of HM10. You can use either of the one to get the discount. After this, simply select the continue, and you're gonna see that your price is going to get a further discount on already running discount. You can see the coupon code is loaded over here. Now write your billing details. After you write your billing details, simply select the continue over here and move on to the payment method. Hostinger offer variety of payment method, and this is a very good thing about Hostinger. You can choose any as per your convenience. The procedure is very quick and easy. Just select any of it, write your credit card details and simply select the submit button. That's how easily you can buy your hosting from Hostinger. I've been using Hostinger from the last years, and my experience so far is very good. So I look forward on all of you to welcome you at Hostinger with special discount coupon code. So good luck.